Yes, my people, Chef Blake is in the kitchen. As you can see, yesterday we start. For those of you guys who was watching my live yesterday I start off. I was doing some barbecue chicken yesterday, and you saw me season up the barbecue chicken. I didn't get the opportunity, guys, to show you when I was cooking, but you guys saw me put it in the oven, and I told you guys what I was gonna do. At the end of this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I have the coleslaw on the side. I got the rice and peas with the kidney beans. And I got my honey barbecue chicken right here. I got some Brussels sprout right here. Very nice, guys. Look at this food right here. Very delicious. Look at that, guys. I'm about to go eat this right now. That'll just make me a plate. I'm going to show you what's the remainder in the pot look like. Here we go, guys. That's what I'm talking. Look at that steam coming out. That's my honey barbecue chicken right here. Nice honey barbecue sauce. Glaze it all the way around. And you saw them herbs and spice I put on it yesterday, guys. With my ginger and all that good stuff. This thing right here is delicious. It's awesome. You understand? This is a flavorful pot right here. And right here, I have some Brussels sprout right here. Look at that. That's all cooked down nicely, guys. Look at it steamed down very nicely. Healthy. Quarantine healthy living. You see what I'm saying? This is what it's like when you're eating at home. You understand? Just cut back on the drive-thru. Cut back on the fast food. Cut back on the McDonald's. Cut back on Popeyes. Wendy's. KFC. Cook some healthy meal at home, guys, like this. This is what costs you to have the immune system to fight the coronavirus. You need to be eating right. Because trust me, if your immune system is not good, you're on the weak spectrum of the survival pool far as the quarantine is concerned right now. So you definitely want to start eat healthy. If you've been trying to do things fast, like jump in the car and go to the drive-thru and grab something to eat, you know what I mean? You need to cut back on that. Start making your food at home. Watch my video, guys. I got a nice recipe. If you want to see how I make the rice and peas, I got video on my channel, BlakeWrTv Kitchen at YouTube. Go over there. I show you how to make my rice and peas. I show you how to make my coleslaw. Show you how to make my honey barbecue chicken, guys. The whole show is on there. Over here, I have some rice and peas. See that right? There's a lot of rice and peas remain there. So you know, say, later on, we have enough food left. If we want to go eat some more food later on, so we get hungry. When you go to a restaurant and you eat a restaurant, you spend over $100 for 2 people. And all you get is just 2 plate of food. You eat them off, and then when you get home, you're hungry again. See it? Me have more food left. So if I eat and me feel like some boy, I want to come back in the kitchen, me have a lot more food left in a reserve. You understand? This can last for all 2 days. So this is what it's all about, guys. Cooking healthy and eating at home, guys. Trust me, it ain't nothing better than the food you cook yourself. Follow my recipe, easy walkthrough, step-by-step cooking on my YouTube channel. Very simple recipe, beginner friendly. Go and support the channel. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, like and share, guys. This is your boy, Chef Blake. I am in the kitchen cooking. Bless up. See somebody just come in on the live. Thank you for being here with me. You can go back and watch the beginning of the live to see what I'm talking about. You know it's always popping in BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Alright, make sure you share this with all your friends. Make everybody see what's going on. You know what I mean? I'm always got it locked in the kitchen. You see what I'm saying? This is some honey barbecue chicken. For those of you that come on the live a while ago, some honey barbecue chicken. I have the next video on Facebook to show you how I seasoned it up yesterday. So you know somebody did the thing right. Yardman style, you know what I mean? Very authentic, good Jamaican food. You see what I mean? I talk about. So trust me, go check it out. Alright, guys. I'm going to cut this video because I'm about to eat. I'm getting hungry and the food is just so flavorsome. The whole kitchen and the whole place is just filled with flavor right now. And trust me, I can't take it no more. I got to go eat. So I'm going to holler back at you guys later. One love, bless.